Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope everything is okay. Okay, for now we will do the spelling quiz and then we will do the new words. Then we will move on to our schedule. So hello everybody, I hope you are feeling okay. So right now please take your spelling quiz notebooks and let us start the spelling quiz. Are you ready? I hope so. Alright. So please take your spelling quiz books and let us start. So, number one is grow. Number two, field. Number three is artifact. Number four is jacuzzi. Five, lake. 6, fire. 7, invade. 8, primitive. 9, foggy. 10, cloud. 11, luxurious. 12, excavate. 13, island. 14, beach. 15, pride. 16, brochure. 17, flower. 18, countryside. Number 19, broadband. And number 20, shipwreck. And for the verbs, number 1 is band. Number 2 is M. And finally, number 3 is begin. So let me call the words one more time. 1, grow. 2, field. 3, artifact. 4, jacuzzi. 5, lake. 6, fire. 7, invade. 8, primitive. 9, foggy. 10, cloud. 11, luxurious. 12. Excavate. 13. Island. 14. Beach. 15. Pride. 16. Brochure. 17. Flower. 18. Countryside. 19. Broadband. And 20. Shipwreck. Okay, and for the verb tenses, 1. Band. 2. And 3. Begin. Okay, that's it for the spelling quiz. Now let's get into the new words. The first word is plant. 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 The first word is plant. Okay? A plant is things that grow from the soil. Those are called plants. They grow from the soil, like flowers, like trees, like vegetables. They are called plants. They grow from the soil. Plant. The second word is river. River. A river is water that moves on the soil, okay, on the ground. So water that moves along for a very long distance. It can be big, it can be very narrow, okay? That's a river, okay? That's water that is moving naturally, not water that is made by people to move, but it moves naturally. It occurs naturally. That's a river. River. Snow. Snow. Snow is ice, right? Snow is ice that falls from the sky. In some countries, they have snow, ice that falls from the sky. Ice, snowflakes, just small ice flakes, light ice flakes. They fall from the sky. Taiwan doesn't have snow, right? But Japan has snow. Snow. Space. 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 Okay? Space can mean two things. Okay? It can be the place out of this world. Okay? We are in planet Earth, right? If you go out of planet Earth, you are going into space. It's a place with where other planets are, okay? Where other things are. When you go out of planet Earth, you go into space, all right? The second thing it may mean, space is room, okay? When you have enough room to move around, we say that is space. Shift, give me some space, okay? Space, you have room around, that's space. The next word is spring. Spring. Spring is a season, okay? So we have spring is a season. A season, we have 4 seasons. We have summer, okay, we have winter, fall, spring, and summer. 4 seasons, right? So spring is one of the seasons that comes before summer. And in spring, we have a lot of plants growing, flowers blooming, trees having new leaves. It's a season of growth, okay? A season of plants to start growing again. Spring. Storm. The next word is storm. Storm. A storm is heavy rain. Heavy, heavy rain, okay? When it rains a lot, like it was doing over the weekend, we were having a storm. It rains very heavily and it's difficult to walk. Sometimes It even has lightning and thunder, a storm. Sunny, sunny. When it's sunny, the sun is out, okay? And there's no cloud in the sky. We say it's sunny. The sun is out, it's very hot, it's a sunny day. Warm, warm. When it's warm, the temperature is high. So this will be the, when it's cold, it's just here, right? But when it rises, warm, it's warm. But when it goes all the way up, it's hot, right? It's hot. But when it's just, let's say just here, it's not cold, it's not cold, it's warm, okay? When it's warm, we don't feel cold. We can walk around without even wearing something on. We can walk around without wearing sweaters and jackets because it's warm. Weather, weather. Weather is the elements, how the outside is like. Is it raining? Is it sunny? Is it stormy? Is it snowy? That is the weather. What the outside environment is like. Okay? The outside environment, what outside is like. Sunny, hot, snowy, cold. That's the weather. Wet, wet. The weather can be wet. The weather can be stormy, sunny, wet. When it's wet, there's water. So that means it's raining. So it's wet, wet. So when something is wet, it is soaking in water, right? And when it's wet, the weather is wet, it is rainy. Okay, the next word is nickname. 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 Your nickname, a nickname is a name that is not really your name, but a name that people give to you, okay? Because of maybe what you do or because they take it from your name. Okay, like you can be Kiki instead of Kimberly. Like your real name can be Kimberly, your real name can be Kimberly, and they call you Kiki. So this is your nickname. My name is Nosipo, but my nickname is Nosi. So, nickname, not a name that is taken from your name. Okay. Okay, and the next word is helmet. Helmet. A helmet is what we wear on our heads to protect ourselves from hurting our heads. If you fall from a scooter, you may hurt your head, right? So you need to put on something to protect your head, and that is a helmet. So it's a hard hat. It's not really like the normal hats, like a cap or something like that. It's very hard so that it protects your head. Inventor. Inventor. An inventor is somebody who builds new things, makes new things, okay? Things that people have never seen before, some things that are an improvement from what has been before, okay? Like so many things are inventions from inventors. The pen marker is an invention. The cell phone is an invention. The computer is an invention. So many things that we use were invented by people. They were made by people. Someone sat down and thought of an idea and made what we are using, okay? The different things that we are using. All right? Accident. An accident is when something happens, usually something not good, and you didn't mean for it to happen. Like a car and another car, they hit each other, they collide. That's an accident, okay? This driver and that driver didn't mean to collide. They didn't mean to hit each other with their cars, and that's called an accident, okay? If you accidentally drop a cup of coffee, you are on your laptop and you are drinking coffee, and when you try to take your coffee, you spill it on your laptop or your papers, that's an accident. You didn't mean to do it, okay? Wreck. Remember last week we talked about shipwreck. So wreck is just waste. Like shipwreck, it's the remains of a ship, right? But wreck can be so many things that are now not working. You cannot use them. It's just wreck. Tourist. A tourist is somebody who visits a place. They do not live there. They visit a place to see the places around in that particular area, okay? So that's a tourist. Noise, sounds, loud sounds, that's noise. If the sounds are very loud, it's noise. Teenager. A teenager is a young person who is from 13 to 19. So if you are 13 years old, you're a teenager. If you are 14, teenager. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, you're a teenager. Why they say teenager? These numbers, 13 to 19, end with teen. 13, 19, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay? So all these numbers end with this word, teen. So then we call these people teenagers. Okay. All right. The next one is meaning. Okay. A meaning of something is the explanation. Okay. Like if I'm trying to tell you something and you do not understand what I'm talking about, I may try to break it down so that you can understand what I'm really saying. That's me giving meaning so you can understand, giving meaning to what I'm saying. Okay. Example. What does it mean to say, when I say stand up, what does it mean? The meaning of stand up is get up and be on your feet, right? Stand up means get up and be on your feet. So meaning is an explanation so that you get what is being said. You understand. Okay, environment. An environment is the place in which we live. Okay, environment, wherever you are in, you have surroundings, right? That's your environment. But we can also talk about environment to mean the outside, okay? Nature, to mean the trees, the plants, the people, the animals. That's the environment. Environment. And now for the verb tenses: bite, bite, beat, beat, bite, beat, beat, blow, blew, blown, blow, blew, blown, break, broke, broken, break, broke, broken, break, broke, broken, blow, blew, blown, blow, blew, blown. Who blew the balloon? Who blew the balloon? They have blown the balloons. Okay? Blow, blew. Bite, bit, beat. The mosquito bit me on my arm. The mosquito bit me on my arm. Okay? So, plant, plant. River, river. Snow, snow. Space, space. Spring, spring. Storm, storm. Sunny, sunny. Warm, warm. Weather, weather. Wet, wet. Nickname, nickname. Helmet, helmet. Inventor, inventor. Accident, accident. Rack, rack. Tourist, tourist. Noise, noise. Teenager, teenager. Meaning, meaning. Environment, environment. Okay, and for the verbs: bite, beat, beat. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Okay, and that is it for the spelling quiz and the new words. Now we have to look into the schedule for today. Okay, guys? Keep doing a great job. Okay, before we leave, I should give you a task, right? So, I want you to tell me your nickname. What is your nickname? Okay? Or if you don't have a nickname, you can tell me a name that you would like to be your nickname. Okay? So, do you have a nickname? A nickname? What is your nickname? Okay, so if you don't have a nickname, what would you like your nickname to be? 1, 2, 3. Okay? This one is for if you don't have a nickname. Number 3, if you don't have a nickname, you tell me what you would want your nickname to be. Write it down take pictures, send to the school. Okay? So for now, I want to remind you to write your words 3 times, pick 4, make good sentences, and do this task and send, take pictures and send to the school. Okay? You are doing great. Let's get into textbook, workbook, writing mapping, Cambridge test. Okay? Let's do it. We can do it, right? Good job.